Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a Christmas gift guide. I did this last year and I was asked by a few people, was I going to do another one this year? And so of course I figured I'd come and share with you the items that I think would be good to give as gifts. Now this video is going to be for teen boys and teen girls. And then I'll do another video of gifts that you may want to give for him or for her. So the hardest thing is trying to figure out what you want to give a teen. They can be the most complicated people on earth, and I know because I was one. I have a teenager and she is so hard to shop for. So I figured this would be an easy way for me to just give you my advice on what I think they actually may want. So jumping into the teen girls, the first item on the list would be pajamas or slippers. You definitely cannot go wrong with a pair of warm pajamas and slippers, but the pajamas I think should have like these cute sayings on them and everything, you know, the things that they like right now, something about coffee, selfies, or whatever. I just think those are super cute. And the slippers can be any kind of slippers, but just warm and cozy. So that would be the first item on my list. Second would be eyeshadow palettes. If your teen is into makeup, she would definitely love an eyeshadow palette. Some good ones I think would be Huda, ColourPop, NYX, or even Urban Decay. Those are some really nice palettes. They have a wide range of colors, and I would think any teen would be very excited to get one of those. Since we're still in makeup, how about a Buxom lip gloss set? Now Buxom is one of my favorite lip glosses, and to give them a whole set that comes in different colors, I think that that would be an awesome gift. As a matter of fact, I will be getting one for my daughter. I think they're on sale right about now, so this will be the perfect time to snag one of those. Most teens are going through this period where they're trying to dibble and dabble in makeup, and so a set of makeup brushes would be perfect. Some perfume. The two that definitely comes to mind would be Daisy or Juicy Couture. Those are really light and sweet fragrances that would be really nice on a teen girl. It's not too overpowering, but it is just enough for them to know that they smell good, they have their little perfume, and plus the packaging is super cute. I also think that Victoria's Secret's body lotions would be a really nice gift. They have so many different ones you can choose from. You can also go with Bath & Body Works, but I just think the set from Victoria's Secrets would be more of a hit. Phone cases are always a good gift. They love phone cases. It may be a little bit personal because you have to know what kind of phone they have and if it will actually fit. So that's kind of I'm on the fence with purchase, but definitely some phone cases would be good if you know what phone they have. Another super cute gift would be a colorful keyboard. These keyboards are super cute. They light up in different colors, and I just think that would be a perfect gift. How about a waterproof speaker? They have so many different ones. They are so cute. You can get the peel one that looks like a girl. It's pink. Or you can get the one that looks like a little mushroom, and it has a suction cup that can go in the shower because most girls love listening to music in the bathroom. I know I do. And so it actually suctions to the wall, and if I'm not mistaken, it is Bluetooth, but if I'm not mistaken, when their phone rings, they can actually push a button on it and they can answer their phone in the shower. How cool is that? I think that will definitely be a hit amongst all your teens. A fashion backpack would definitely be nice. They have some cute ones in Adidas. I really love the Adidas brand. And then if you want to go all out, you can definitely pick up a Betsy Johnson backpack because she has the cutest designs for backpacks. Sweatshirts. Instead of getting a jacket, pick up a sweatshirt that has something cute on the front. It could be anything that you like, or it's something that you know the personality of your teen. They have so many different sweatshirts that you would definitely find something that they would like. Next would be an advent calendar. They have so many cute ones online. You can order an advent calendar and actually give the gift before Christmas. That way that they'll open up a box leading up to Christmas. They have so many different ones. There's socks, there's makeup, there's beauty products, there's bath products. So there's so many to choose from, but an advent calendar can be that extra gift that you give right before Christmas, but they're getting a gift every day until that day. How cool is that? An Instax camera. Most girls love taking pictures on their phone, but having a little Instax camera would be so fun. They can take pictures while they're out, while they're hanging with their friends. I think most teens really like these cameras, and I think it's a perfect gift. Now, if you're going to give that, they also have the cute little pocket printers that you can also get that they can pair that with. And so not only are they taking pictures, but they can print the pictures out right there and give it to their friends. And the last thing I think that your teen girl would like would be some gift cards. And my top 3 favorite will be iTunes, because they love to get music, Amazon, because they love ordering stuff from Amazon, and my favorite will be to your local movie theater. That way they can go to the movies, see something that they want, they can take their friends, they can pay for their friends, get some popcorn. And I think that it would be just really cool for them to have a movie theater gift card, and that way they can just go as they please, as long as they let you know that. But I just think that is like my all-time favorite as far as the gift cards. So that is it for the teen girls. Now we're gonna jump into the teen boys. So the first thing I would say for a teen boy would be a smartwatch. They love these smartwatches. So that would definitely be something for them to you know, tinker with, play with, and figure it out. And so smartwatch is definitely number 1. The next item will be hoodies. Hoodies are so fun. They're better to me than jackets because you can express yourself with hoodies. They all have screen prints on the front. If you're not sure what they like, you can just pick up a classic hoodie that has Vans on the front, or maybe some kind of show that they like to watch, or a sports team or whatever, but definitely hoodies. And what better to pair with a hoodie would be a hat or a beanie. Hats and beanies are definitely great gifts to give to boys. The next item will be a Jetson balance scooter. It comes equipped with Bluetooth and LED lights. I think that will be so fun for them to take it outside and ride it up and down the street or wherever they want to go. It's kind of like a newer skateboard. That's how I'm looking at that. But I definitely think those are super cute. Next would be a virtual reality headset. Those are really cool. I think all ages would like to have one of those, that they can play their games. You just download an app. Some of them you put your phone in there or whatever it is, but definitely a virtual reality headset. Next would be some drone racers. They have some fun drone racers. You get 2 in a pack. You can put them up in the air, race them, do whatever you want with those, but definitely some drone race. Just like I mentioned with the girls, you can get him a light up keyboard. They do come in different ones with different colors. So for the girl, you could get her like the white with the pinks and the greens and all of that. But with the boys, they have the black keyboard with the darker tone lights like the blues and the reds. So definitely one of those, because I think if he's a gamer, he would definitely like a light up keyboard. A super popular gift that is going around this year are the AirPods. Those are the wireless earbuds that, you know, everybody is getting, everybody is talking about. So I think that should be on the list. Shoes, definitely some shoes. And my all-time favorite choice to get boys are Vans. You cannot go wrong with Vans. Or you can get Converse, but Vans would definitely be top on the list. And the last 2 items that I would say to get your teen boy would either be a gift card, whether it be to GameStop if they're into gaming. It could be a sports store if they're into sports. Or you can just simply give them a wallet filled with money because they like that. I know mine's did. So that is it for my gift guide for teen girls and teen boys. I hope this helps anybody. I know it can be hard when it comes to shopping, but hopefully, like I said, this helps you out. So thank you all for watching. Don't forget to stay tuned because I have another series coming up for him and for her, so that can help you as well with your shopping, since we are in the month of December. So thank you again. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.